Hello YouTube, my name is Zamulli and in this live stream video I'm going to show you how to install WordPress 4.8.2 which has more security and maintenance release, basically updates. So yeah, you must have any server running on your system. So I have XAMPP running already on my system. If you do not know how to install it, watch my other video how to install XAMPP on Microsoft Windows. So this is for any operating system, whether you are on Windows, Linux or Mac OS X. So you simply download it and install it. If required, please restart your system. You'll find the link in the description for this XAMPP server. If you want to use any other server, perfectly fine. The other thing you need is basically the WordPress 4.8.2 zip file. So simply go to wordpress.org/download. I have left the link in the description so you can get it from there. Once it's downloaded, simply go ahead and start downloading the zip file. You can use any if you know how to unzip it, tar or zip. Okay, so it's been almost downloaded. If you want to read more about 4.8.2 security and maintenance release, what it has, you can read this news. This is basically a post which you can, so link is in the description as well. Uh, so let me go ahead and just minimize everything. So here is the 4.8.2. I'm going to extract it on my system. So it's going to be on the desktop itself, and this is going to take a while. In the meanwhile, you simply go to your this PC, and then go to C drive, wherever is your XAMPP server or MAMP or WAMP. Then go to XAMPP folder, and then you go to htdocs, and here you have to create a folder. So wait for this extraction. Okay, so let's create a folder. I'm going to name it my WP, or you can say WP 4.8.2, and let's keep it in lowercase. And we are going to keep all the files here, 8 files and folders in this folder WP 4.8.2. Let's go ahead and check the news here. So this is majorly, I think, security release. There were a lot of issues on cross-site scripting. You definitely want to read, and if you want to check more about other releases, you simply scroll down and list changes here, release notes here. You can read everything about here. You can also go back to any previous releases and check everything here. Alrighty, so thank you so much. It's been extracted. Let me go ahead and see it here. This is the folder. And you just open it, copy everything here, copy it or cut it or simply drag by selecting everything. So it's been dragged here. Now let's go ahead and install it. Open your preferred browser, go to localhost WP 4.8.2, press enter. This may take a while. Now it's asking you to select your language, so select your language here, and then it will require database name, database username, password, and database host as well. So let's go ahead and create a database. Simply go to localhost, and then if you're using XAMPP, click here phpMyAdmin, or you can go to localhost/phpMyAdmin, and here you simply have to create a database. So you can click here new, or you go to databases, you will be on the same page. Just name it. So WP 4.8.2, that's the database name. Click create. So when you create a database, it does create a user that is by default root with no password. So let's go ahead and check. So there's no table here, and now when you're going to install WordPress, it will create lots of tables. So WP, that's the name of the database. Username, as I told you, is by default root. You can go ahead and create a username here, I guess from operations. No, here, privileges. So create a new user. This is the user that we are going to use. Root, host name, localhost, with no password. Localhost is fine. If you want to change, you definitely should. If it's your website and you're going to install WordPress on a hosting company server, definitely change it. Since it's a local installation, I'm going to leave it. And then click run the install. And here you just want to name your website. So whatever the website or business name is, I'm going to leave it admin, but you definitely want to change the name. Do not leave it as admin. So email, your business email or personal email, whatever it is. Search engine visibility, you can simply discourage while you are developing or customizing your theme. Okay, thank you. Let's go ahead and install it. And this doesn't take long time on Windows, but if you are installing it on Linux, this is kind of, it may take like half an hour. So in the process of setting up everything. So thank you so much. It's been installed. Let's go ahead and log into the dashboard area. So type in your username and the password and log in. So it's been installed. Now let's go ahead and check the plugins. Okay, you can delete these plugins. These are just by default. Alrighty, so thank you so much for your patience, and this is how you install WordPress 4.8 on Windows 10, Windows 8, 8.1, and 7 as well. Thank you so much for watching this video. Please like, share, and subscribe for my channel for more videos like this. Have a good day. Bye for now.